morning, we're back. We're at the Magic Kingdom. We just had breakfast at the Grand Floridian so that we can take the monorail around and avoid Ticket and Transportation Center. It is a cool day today. It is like 60 degrees max today, so we're in our long clothes, our warm clothes. But yeah, come along as we hang out at the Magic Kingdom today. It's Winnie the Pooh and friends. Here it is, the big reveal. There it is. We are in, now what? Pirates? All right. I think we're heading left. We're heading to Adventureland, Frontierland. We're gonna try for Pirates and see what the wait time is. All right, Pirates, 35 minutes. Let's go see how long it really takes. Do you have any goals for today? Anything you want to make sure we do?
Just to spend time with each other and have fun. That's it.
Yeah, we'll see.
All day long, a whole day.
We'll see how much we can get through before we get too tired. I don't know. You think we'll make it till the end of the night? Fireworks?
I think it's cool, and I think that we know how to do this park well enough that we can. We'll make it.
Right. Oh, we are not doing Genie Plus. At this point, we haven't tried the Lightning Lane or bought anything extra, so we're just gonna see what kind of day we have. Regular, original Disney.
Yeah.
So that's the plan for now. Let's try Pirates.
Where be Captain Jack Sparrow? Speak up! Or do you fancy a swim with a game in
Anchor now, you swabbies. What may I offer for these hearty heads? Everyone an egg layer.
Not lest they be laying golden eggs.
Belay there, you bilge rat!
It's the key to the treasure. Easy.
Can see that. Over here.
Drink up, lads. There's treasure enough for all. I shall take this paltry sum as a stipend to cover my expenses.
We just got off of Pirates, and it was only like 11, 12 minutes. The wait time said 35.
Yeah.
So we're glad we tried it out and just took a chance. We're gonna test and see if other wait times are shorter than they say. Okay. We are just a group of 2, so we can squeeze in sometimes when bigger parties can't do that. So
now it says it's a 40-minute wait. Do you think this is a Genie Plus manipulation? A Genie manipulation?
I don't know. Maybe to push people other places.
It took 11 minutes, 12 minutes for us to get from the back of the standby line to the boat.
We will see if it's a pattern though. Like that might be a way to push people away from certain things, but I would say try stuff. If you think the wait time is too long, you may get lucky. So
we'll try the rest of the rides today to see what happens.
So what are we gonna do next?
If we just go in order, we could do Big Thunder, or we get to try Haunted Mansion. Keep walking around this way.
We could go ride Aladdin.
Haunted Mansion is 45 minutes, so that would be an experiment.
Well, let's go do that. Let's go see how long.
I'll get a Mickey pretzel along the way.
Let's go see how long Haunted Mansion is. For real. All right, more to come at the Magic Kingdom. Chip and Dale are out. The Country Bears are out too. The Liberty Bell. All right, we are in the longest line ever for Haunted Mansion. Long queue. It says 45 minutes. We will see if it's really 45 minutes.
Yep.
a walkway on Tom Sawyer Island. Big Thunder Mountain in the background. You can't see it, but it says 45.
Hurtle and snaps at you. How about a snapping dragon? Wait, that doesn't rhyme. Oh, Moses, please help. Oh, dear. Does that even rhyme?
Interactive queue. You don't get to see this part when you're not in the standby line.
I've never seen this before, which means we've never been in the standby line.
No, we're always in the fast pass line previously.
Welcome, foolish mortals, to the Haunted Mansion. I am your host, your ghost host.
So it was what, 40?
40 minutes, yeah.
40, so pretty close.
It was 30 minutes. We were in the stretching room at 30 minutes. And 40 minutes on the road.
Got it. Okay.
It's time to respond. Send us a message from somewhere beyond.
Start to sleep and harmonize. Get pretty ghosts about to socialize.
Oh no, he's right there. Whoa! He took his head off. Oh, they're gone.
Immediately unhaunted. We are no longer haunted.
It is a small world. For your safety, please remain seated throughout your voyage, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. And please watch your children. Thank you. Please remain seated until your boat comes to a complete stop at the dock and you are asked to disembark. Thank you.
Oh no. Very loud. Really? Another one?
Is it a cavalcade?
Oh, I think it's Tinkerbell.
Oh. Oh yeah, they were right back in the back. Look how
is the
close
best-
this is.
Oops.
We're in Pecos Bill. The outside table's of Pecos Bill. Right behind the Fort Life fans.
Well, you're not going to be able to hear us talk. We'll show you this and then we'll come back. right, we are at lunch
Yep.
at Pecosville. I just got a kid's meal of a chicken bowl, chicken rice bowl. So I only paid $7.99, and I got plenty of food and some side items if you're into kids' food. But
Lots of
let's see what we've done
apple
today.
sides.
We tested out some wait times. We rode It's a Small World, which ended up being not 35 minutes, but more like 15
Yeah.
from our math. We rode Haunted Mansion, which definitely was like the 45 minutes. So that one was pretty accurate. We've ridden 2 today that have been pretty short.
Yeah. Pirates
Shorter.
was the first one.
And then, but you decided to buy Lightning Lane for Space Mountain. And
Individual Lightning Lane.
Individual Lightning Lane, just that, not the Genie Plus stuff, which I get confused about still.
So you buy the individual Lightning lanes and it guarantees your time. And you go whenever it says to go.
So we did that while we were on Small World, and then you walked over there.
I got in, I checked in, I had a 1:20 p.m. It ended up becoming a 1:20 p.m. reservation. So you get an hour and I guess 15-minute grace period. I got in, I checked in at 1:18.
A little early.
A little early. They said there was a lady in line yelling, "No early check-in." So I thought I was going to be toast, but I wasn't. I just did it anyway, and it checked me in. So I'm sure there's like 5 minutes or something.
And how long from when you got in your Lightning Lane till you think you got in the ride?
I was in the ride. I looked at my phone at 1:27 p.m. I was in the ride vehicle.
So 9 minutes.
Well, yes, 9 minutes.
So that's pretty
Less
short.
than 10.
And the wait time at the time for standby was 50.
Yes, and that was probably all of 50 minutes. The line was out the door and curling around.
So maybe your $9 was worth the 40 minutes you saved.
For sure, I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd rather get on a ride in 10 minutes and guarantee that I get on than wait in that line.
And we were way over in Tomorrowland, but now we're back in Frontierland because the PeopleMover was down. People were stuck. They had to walk off. We got the...
I've never seen that before.
No, I haven't either. So we actually saw that people walk off PeopleMover. They were stuck the whole time you were riding Space Mountain.
Yeah, I saw them in Space Mountain stuck.
Did they turn the lights on?
Yeah, the lights were on. So that's the other part. I hate when they turn the lights on the PeopleMover because it ruins the effect of having the totally dark.
But they weren't on in Space Mountain.
What do you mean? Yeah.
Like the whole inside ride.
No. They're just on in the hallway or whatever,
Yeah.
the track of PeopleMover. But it's bright enough that it illuminates the track where you could anticipate what's coming next. Although I've been on it enough that I know how it works. But still, I like it when it's completely dark in there. But obviously they were stuck.
Yeah. And then we decided to get some snacks. So I got cotton candy while we were waiting for him to get off the ride. You got something at the lunching pad.
I got the Caribbean jerk chicken because I'd never had that before. I want to try it. And it looked like they were like tossed in a sauce, like a glaze sauce in the picture. And they ended up just being chicken fingers that had some like green goo over the top.
Some kind of flavoring. Was it spicy?
Yeah. It sort of looked like, what's it called?
Like salsa verde,
yes,
green.
Exactly. That's what I was trying to think of. Yes,
Yeah.
something like that.
Was it spicy though?
It was a little, maybe like a little spicy and a little like savory, sweet.
And then we came all the way back over to Adventureland because you wanted to try the spring rolls. You had never had those before. So you got one cheeseburger
and one pastrami.
Oh yeah, it's like a 50th anniversary pastrami. Which
Pastrami
you liked them
They're
both?
both great. Yeah.
Would you get them again?
I would.
Which was your favorite?
I don't know. I sort of like the pastrami one had more flavor. The cheeseburger one kind of was cheeseburgery, but it wasn't. It didn't have the same kind of like effect as the pastrami one.
Gotcha.
One was dipped in like honey mustard, and the other one was like a ranch dip. I couldn't decide which one was supposed to go with which because I've never dipped a cheeseburger in ranch before, but that's what I did. I decided to put that one in ranch.
Yeah, that's probably right. The pastrami and the mustard.
Yeah.
So now we are done with lunch. We just got to sit in this very nice little spot. You're right at the beginning of the Cavalcades and the parade route, so you know exactly when they're starting, and you're super close, so I got to see them pass by, Mickey and Minnie and Tinkerbell. And then I don't know what we're doing next. We have another individual Lightning Lane reservation, but not until, I don't know when, 8:40? 9 o'clock
for the mine
for the
train.
Seven Dwarfs Mine Train.
Yeah. But that's at the end of the night. So
between now and then, we might do some shopping. It's getting kind of cold. It's colder than we expected, and so we might need to buy a sweatshirt. But yeah, that's the update for now. Anything else? We are
we don't know
done.
what we're gonna do next.
We're done with lunch. We will figure out something to do next, perhaps shopping. Oh, I felt a raindrop. We might have to go inside for some stuff for this afternoon. But yeah, we're done with lunch. Got to see some cavalcades. Even the characters are cold. They are wearing long sleeves and their warm clothes for their parade. So it's chilly today. But like I said, I would rather have it be a little bit cold and put on a layer than be hot and sweaty and miserable. So this is fun. We've never been to Disney in the winter time.
Yeah.
So let's go ride some rides.